If y'all are active on Instagram, you probably already seen the custom Lego cars as well as the custom Hot Wheel cars. I've seen a bunch of my friends make these photos and I wasn't sure how to do it, so I asked the homie Tony and he blessed me with the knowledge. So shout out to the homie Tony. This is gonna be a quick one, so if you guys find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but let's get right into it. All right, so on your mobile device, you're gonna go ahead and go on the App Store and find the app Bing. Y'all probably heard of Bing before. I didn't even know that they had an app, but all of the photos are going to be generated with AI. If you don't have a Microsoft account already, you're going to have to sign up, but it's super quick and super easy, and all of this is free. So upon opening the app, you're going to see this chat button right here. We're gonna go ahead and click it, and this is where we're gonna make everything. Make sure the use GPT-4 is selected. From here, if you guys are trying to do the Lego edition, you're gonna use this prompt, and I'll leave it down below in the description. So with AI, you can get it to generate pretty much anything. I've tried getting very specific, but it doesn't really quite know what's what yet. You gotta tinker around with it. The first result might not be the best, but go ahead and try and change little things here and there, and the AI might bless you with something dope. Right now, I've been in an S2000 mood, so let's go ahead and make an S2000. So right here, we're gonna change a couple things. Make me a picture of a lowered yellow Honda S2000 with black wheels as a Lego toy with a big box of Lego in the background. That's all you need to do. Yo, quick disclaimer, I just realized when I'm editing the video that the prompt was super complicated for the AI to do. I left in varis and I left in GTR, so I said Honda S2000 GTR varis. Like, I messed up on that, so don't think that that needs to be in the script. That was my bad. That was just a typo and I wasn't paying attention to my excuse. It's getting a little late, all right? Had a long day, so I'm just letting y'all know. Let's send it out and let's see what they made. This process does take a little bit of time, maybe 30 seconds, but it does give you 4 variations of a picture and you get 30 tries at this. So let's see what happens. I posted the one I did of my Lexus and a lot of you guys asked me for the tutorial, so I hope you guys are here from the Instagram. If you guys aren't, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at sneakerheadinthebay. Let's look at these photos. Dude, this is it right here. This is freaking sick. Okay, so this is the first one. Sometimes what I notice is the Lego logo in the background, it's gonna have like, it's not gonna say Lego, it's gonna be like legs or like leg or lega. Like, it's just not gonna say Lego all the time. So this one, it came out pretty freaking dope. And all you gotta do here is hit save photos and you can use that photo now. But let's go ahead and check out the other variation. Ooh, see right here, AI be messing up. It says S000, not S2000. But if it did say S2000, that would have been dope. Let's keep it moving. This one says Lego. Again, S2000 in the back. It's messed up, man. It's messed up, but in terms of the photo itself, it's a pretty dope photo. Ah, this is the one. This is the one right here. Lego, okay, perfect in the back. You don't gotta worry about anything. This is pretty sweet. So all you guys gotta do, tinker with it, do different cars. You could even do like, make a, here, let me show you guys. Just to try it out, we're gonna go ahead and switch it up. We're gonna say, make me a picture of a miniature lowered blue Nissan GTR with a varis body kit with black wheels as a Hot Wheels toy inside of a Hot Wheels box. Don't know if they're gonna get it. This is my first time using this prompt, but I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it just in case this works, and I'll leave it down below in the description for you guys. Real quick, as this loads, I'm planning to do a kind of Vlogsmas style thing on this channel, because out of the 10 plus years that I've been on YouTube, I haven't done a Vlogsmas before. And if you guys don't know what a Vlogsmas is, it's basically one video every single day until Christmas, but I'm gonna go ahead and extend that. Do the whole December. All right, I'm gonna try to do one every single day. One video every day on this channel right here. I'm gonna try new things out, see if I can reach a new audience, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at these. Oh my God. Oh my God, yo, look. This is insane, dude. This one is sick. Dude, how did they, what the hell? Dude. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. The last piece I'm gonna leave you guys with. A lot of y'all been watching me for a while. I'm sure you're into cars. You have friends that are into cars. If y'all are looking for a super dope gift to give, this is a cool idea right here. Whoever you're gonna give this photo to, you make one of these of their car, all right? Try to be as specific as possible and get the dopest photo. Go on Amazon and buy a canvas print supply them this image right here, and once they print it on this canvas, it's gonna be a personal piece that your homie or yourself can hang up on a wall. So I'll have a link to that down below in the description. I think that's an awesome gift idea if you guys are trying to be unique, trying to get something special for a homie. I think that'd be a really cool one to get. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video right here. Just a quick tutorial. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and turn those post notifications on. I'm also interested to see what you guys create with this app right here. I haven't had too much time to mess with it, but so far it's been super dope. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.